Hi guys, welcome back to Lali Bali. In this video we will travel and see the current situation of beach attractions, namely Pandawa Beach. Pandawa Beach is one of the famous white sand beaches in Bali that must be visited if you are on vacation in Bali. Pandawa Beach is located in Kutuh Village, Badung Regency, and is more famous among foreign tourists, especially Australia, with the name Secret Beach of Bali. There is good news for all of us, where Ngurah Rai Airport has reopened international flights, starting from October 14, 2021, which was conveyed directly by the Governor of Bali at a press conference at Ngurah Rai Airport.
Otoritas bandara tidak diizinkan keluar bandara. Bila hasil positif, baik
When we arrived at Pandawa Beach, we were immediately greeted by a view of the hotel construction on the left side of the cliff, and also along the road to the beach we will see high cliffs on the left and right side of the road. To the beach, on the cliff there is a cave containing statues of Pandava figures in the Mahabharata book, namely Dharmawangsa, Bima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadewa, which is very large and is usually used as a photo object by tourists who come to the beach. When we arrived at the parking area, this beach was busy with local and domestic tourists. There were also some foreign tourists. Pandawa Beach, there is also a gift shop and also several restaurants located on the coast.
And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long.
To enjoying the beach view, there are several other activities that can be done on this beach, such as swimming, taking pictures with the Pandawa statue, going around the beach using a canoe. You can also enjoy paragliding from the top of the hill, and also hunting for unique handicrafts for souvenirs. On this beach, we will immediately see the beauty of the Indian Ocean directly and also the view of the cliffs that add to the beauty of this beach. Besides Pandawa Beach, there are also many other beaches around this Pandawa Beach area, so you can also travel to several beaches located around this Pandawa Beach area.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long.
We hope you enjoy our trip today. Please stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, stay safe and healthy, and bye for now. Peace.